Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join a Roblox community or group. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Communities are simply the new name for groups on Roblox. To begin, open the Roblox app and tap on More from the menu. Then, navigate over and select the Communities option. Wait for the Communities page to fully load, and once it does, tap on the search box at the top. Type in the name of the community you want to join and press Enter to start searching. From the results, find and select the community you're interested in. Once the community page opens, go to the title bar and click the Join Community button. If you later decide that you no longer want to be part of a particular community, you can leave it easily. Just click the three dots on the community's title bar, then choose the Leave Community option, and confirm by clicking Yes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can join a Roblox community or group. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.